Hello everyone, I'm Cybersploit, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to go in root mode automatic without typing sudo su anytime. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your terminal, and when I type sudo su, I need to give me my password. So now I'm in root mode, and first thing we're gonna type is dpkg reconfigure yes Kali Grant root. Press enter. Now we get this. So we wanna enable passwordless privilege escalation. Press enter on that. That's done. What we are gonna do then is we're gonna open the file manager, open folder, go to your account, click on view. Wait, I make this bigger. Click on view and then show hidden files. Then we need to go to the bash rc, this one, click on it, make it bigger, go to the bottom and then type here sudo su, save the file, and close this all. When I open this, type sudo su, it's gonna ask my password, so we need to restart the Kali server on the VirtualBox. I'm gonna restart it. Okay, I'm back. My system was restarted, so I'm gonna open the terminal one more time. Now when I type sudo su, it's automatically, or it's going automatic in root mode, so I don't need to type my password anymore. Like this. So we are done. I hope this video was useful and successful hacking.